Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Joe Patel Gaming. Today we are going to play my summer car game. Subscribe if you want to, thank you. Guys, okay, let me take the cool liter. My car be dead. Let me take a brake fluid. Let me take one of those. Let me take a motor oil. Let me take everything my car. Let me take a hold on. Gas liter. Let's take a gas liter. My car will stop in the road. Perfect. Oops, my bad. Perfect. Perfect. Let me close that door. Can I drive this car? It's not too far. Let me take this car in the shop. I don't need new battery. I will change it. Hold on. Let me see. Let me check this car. This car is really smooth. Oh yeah. This car is overheating. No, it's not. Stop stealing. I have a 2-liter oil, brake fluid. I have to drive a couple of miles today. I have to drive straight to the store. Let's drive. Let's go buy new stuff. This car is not overheating. That's good. Last time I fixed it, it was overheating. I fixed it. Oh yeah, it's overheating. Yeah, this is not good. Hold on, let me press parking brake. Wait, what's going on? I fixed it. What should I do? Let me take this car. Oh my god. Let me check the cool liter. Check this cool liter. Oh yeah, we have cool liter. Let me check a oil. I hope oil is out. I hope oil. But my car is broke down. My house is a little far away. Oh yeah. Let me check the motor oil. What happened? We have wait. Hold on. Oh yeah. Let me take this car home. My car. Oh yeah, my car is smoking. I don't know why. It's okay, don't worry about it. Let me go slow down. Let me go to the other way. Let me take this in a shop. They can fix it. I'm going slow down. My car will be... Okay, I have everything I need. Take this in a shop. This way. This way my shop. Not going to store today. I don't know what's wrong with my car. Yeah, I don't know. My car on fire. No. See you later, guys. See you tomorrow.